All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. It is the third row, 3 rows of seating, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, super nice, only 41,000 miles, and best of all, minimum damage. Here's your front bumper. This looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks good. Seems to have a little dent here with some paint off, about 3 inches from here to here. All right, your grill is cracked, 3, 6, about 6 or 7 inches right there. All right, your fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing on that. And let me get my tool out. Here it is. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 4/32 to under 7. This door looks pretty good. Does have a little ding right there, some paint off, but it is there. Yeah, this door and this quarter look pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 1 key, key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera, POW. Got your AC controls right down below. Very, very nice. All right, that's about it. Thing here, very cool. All right, got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 41,508. That pretty much completes the tour. Turn on the lights, keep it moving. Of course, here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Here's, of course, what your third row looks like. Very nice. I don't see anything, any tears or anything there. All right, keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your rear deck lid or lift gate looks good. Here's a nice shot of your trunk of what that looks like. There is a these chairs do fold forward and down. Check out pictures for more details. I tucked away your owner's manuals there. And you got some tools and such and stuff down here. Very nice. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread over 7/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. And your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips on that. All right, keeping it moving. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is under 7/32 above 4. Lights are working. Excuse me, folks. Lights are working. Everything is good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe with 41,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.